Efficient personnel management is critical to the seamless operation of any retail firm. Recognizing this, Shopify POS includes sophisticated capabilities meant to simplify and streamline personnel management operations. From clock-in and out capabilities to commission monitoring and role-based access control, Shopify POS enables shops to properly manage their personnel. In this video, we will discuss the significance and benefits of Shopify POS employee management features, demonstrating how they optimize timekeeping, improve commission tracking, and provide precise control over employee access and permissions, ultimately fostering efficiency, productivity, and operational excellence. Timekeeping clock-in and out function. The clock-in and out capability of Shopify POS enables retailers to effectively manage employee work hours and expedite payroll operations. Employees can use the POS system to effortlessly clock in and leave, properly measuring their working hours. Retailers can remove manual timekeeping techniques by digitizing timekeeping, hence decreasing errors and potential discrepancies. The system tracks clock-in and out timings, allowing for correct estimation of employee hours for payroll purposes. This automation streamlines administrative tasks and saves time for both businesses and employees. Furthermore, Shopify POS's clock-in and out functionality offers shops with visibility into employee schedules and shift coverage. Retailers can successfully manage employee work hours, ensure proper staffing levels, and make educated decisions about scheduling and resource allocation. Commission monitoring for performance evaluation. The commission tracking function of Shopify POS allows retailers to effectively track and reward staff sales success. This feature allows shops to assign commissions to specific employees depending on their contribution to sales. Retailers can assess employee performance and promote sales excellence by tracking commissions within the POS system. This data-driven strategy encourages healthy competition among staff and inspires them to meet their sales targets. The commission monitoring tool also promotes openness and fairness in reward systems. Employees may access their commission earnings within the Shopify POS system, increasing openness and building confidence between employers and employees. Retailers can develop reports that examine individual and team sales performance, identifying top performers and areas for improvement. This data-driven approach to commission tracking provides insights into sales trends, aids in the identification of successful sales methods, and enables for focused coaching and training. Role-based access control improves security and efficiency. The role-based access control, or RBAC, function of Shopify POS allows shops to limit employee access and permissions based on their jobs and responsibilities. This level of management assures the protection of sensitive data and processes within the POS system. RBAC allows stores to give particular roles to employees, such as cashiers, managers, or supervisors, each with their own set of permissions. This prevents unauthorized access to important activities such as refund processing, inventory management, and discount application, guaranteeing that only authorized workers can conduct these actions. RBAC not only improves security, but it also improves operational efficiency. Retailers can reduce errors, prevent unintentional data changes, and ensure data integrity within the POS system by granting employees access to only the functions and data related to their employment. Additionally, RBAC streamlines the onboarding and offboarding operations. When new employees join the team, retailers may grant them preset roles and permissions, ensuring they have access to the relevant functions from the outset. Similarly, when employees leave the firm, their access can be quickly cancelled, lowering the danger of unwanted access. Integration and scalability. Employee management tools in Shopify POS can be smoothly integrated into overall retail operations, allowing businesses of all sizes and scales to benefit. The system allows for simple setup and administration, allowing merchants to define employee positions, set commission schemes, and control access based on their specific company needs. Whether you're running a single-store boutique or a multi-location retail chain, Shopify POS's staff management features are scalable, giving you the tools you need to successfully manage your workforce and maximize operational efficiency.